I'm doing my oil change for this Mercedes Benz E350 2013 W212. Okay, just open it up so that the flow of oil will just go, and then let me remove this. So we can change the oil filter also. Let's just put that here, and that is the oil filter. Open that up. The engine's still warm. I already removed the skid plates. There you go. This is the oil pan, and this is the oil change plug. There you go. Everything looks good for now. So just a simple check also. Everything looks good. This looks good. The boots look good. No oil dripping anywhere here. The boots look good. I think this Mercedes Benz will last for a long time. Alright, let's do the oil change. Alright, so this is the bolt. I'm opening it up, and then oil start flowing. Just like what other people are saying, this is a long bolt. Ooh, that oil is hot. Okay, let's wait for that to drain. I'm going to now remove that, but before that, it's still dripping a little bit. Okay, so this one, I have this. I just got this from Harbor Freight, and this fits really well in that oil filter. Okay, so be careful here when we are removing it. Let me just it's really hard to remove it with the camera in my hand, so I'll just remove it.